Mumbalothi wa nthiguru ya Kenya na Somalia ambassador KUBAI KIRINGO na atarĩrĩtie tarĩki mũgwanja Kenya na Somalia bagekanira KIRORE kĩrĩgwĩtĩkanĩria kũgwatanĩra kĩrĩ MANTU mwanya mwanya gatagatĩ ka nthiguru icio igĩrĩ. KIRINGO augĩte UCORE na kinya biashara ni jamwe jajara nthiguru iji kagwatanĩra kũrikithia kĩarĩa. Augĩte kinya biashara ya MIRAA ĩkagunĩka na gũkĩra mũno nthiguru iji ciagwatanĩra, akiuga NTUKUNE itikũraja antu bakona kanya ga gwĩtaga kwendia MIRAA bongwa nthigurune iyo.
Giki ni gikaro kia maabisa ba thirikari kuma kiri nthiguru ya Kenya na ya Somalia barego kagita bethiritwo bagika ikaro kienda kuthondeka wĩtĩkanĩria buria bukothia na kumbithia biashara gatigati ka nthiguru icio igĩrĩ.
Turi au ndene ya mukawa yumwa Nairobi tukibanga mantu ya ngwatanĩro ya Kenya na Somalia ira tukubwithia maandiko kana ngwatanĩro ira ikaomba kuwatanithia nthi cietu ciili Somalia na Kenya ira ikasaino tariki mũgwanja. Ngwatanĩro ya saino tariki mũgwanja ni deputy president wetu wa Kenya na prime minister wa Somalia twambite kuthithia mantu yonthe ira ya kwendekana na mantu ya nayo ni kubwithia mibango ira to MOU, memorandum of understanding,
discussing the issue of related to the cooperation between the two countries. An agreement will be signed, or MOUs will be signed by both countries, entailing from social, economic and political, and that will be done in the next couple of days. Let that process conclude that process by the Prime Minister of the Republic of Somalia and Deputy President of Kenya and Republic of Kenya.
Akiare mubarothi wa Kenya nthiguruni ya Somalia uria waumarukire jamu bunge wa Gembe Central KUBAI KIRINGO na ugite bari NTUKUNE cia muthia gukinyaniria ngwatanĩro ije ya Somalia na Kenya.
We have got our senior technical people who are putting the final touches on all the MOUs which we have been discussing, and up to now we are having, this is our first day, and by tomorrow we will complete every aspect of the polishing of the document, and this document will be now presented to the Council of Ministers who will be sitting on Monday, and thereafter the final draft or the final copy for the corporation will be handed over to the principals, that is His Excellency the Deputy President of Kenya and His Excellency the Prime Minister of Somalia. And on Wednesday, on Tuesday 7th, they will append their signatures on the document which will form the basis now of the cooperation of these two great countries.
Ni arithurite na kuga kuthegeia kwa biashara ya MIRAA nthiguruni eu ni rumoro rwaria rwa gitumi ruria rumuriki kiri ngwatanĩro iji.
Lakini mantu yonthe untu bura bukonie MIRAA iburende nakyo na itukwenda wikira mawatho na sheria ira ciekirwa kiri MIRAA kenda MIRAA yithirwa muntu ura kwenda kugura MIRAA akaura, muntu ura kwenda kwendia akendia, yithirwa willing buyer willing seller na kinya transport irururo baraba ngibenda gwita na kinya mnara thoko ire ita rururo kadire ciaingirwe cionthe irurwe na mantu ya yonthe twarikania tugekiriana na betu na tariki mũgwanja ya sainwa na ya sainwa mikakati endeka bwithwa ni department kenda turura nthi yetu ciumba kuritaniria ngui muno na kinya bara barathangika no twa MIRAA tuona bakururwa njira na bomba kwenda MIRAA boya
bogwetera nandi ni kuona kethera kuri machiara jakauma kiri ngwatanĩro iji na gucokia wirigiro kiri arimi na biashara ba MIRAA onde kimera gike kithiritwo kirumiri ni mathina nkabo.
And there are several areas of cooperation. We have almost 14 MOUs to be discussed. Some of them are trade, security, education, health, blue economy, tourism, and many others.